To create a group chat on Facebook, first open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone or tablet, or messenger.com on a computer. Tap the notepad icon at the upper right corner to create a new chat. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type the name of the first person you want to add. When you see the correct person in the search results, tap or click their name to add them to the chat. Add more people to make it a group conversation. You can add up to 250 people to a chat. Type an introductory message to the group, and tap the paper airplane to send, or press enter on a computer. Now that the group is created, replies to your message will be visible to everyone in the chat. If someone wants to leave the group, they can tap the three dots at the top right corner of the chat and select Leave Group.